Let me guess, you think setting up direct deposit is a time-consuming hassle, right? Hey, you wouldn't be the first. Hi, I'm Edgar, and I've been a Chime member since 2020. Today, let's talk about direct depositing with Chime. If you haven't set up direct deposit yet, no worries, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through how to set up direct deposit with Chime, so let's get into it. Here are 3 easy ways to deposit your paycheck straight into your Chime account. The first is to have Chime do it for you. Many employers offer direct switching. To see if your employer is one of them, head to Move and select Set up Direct Deposit. Scroll down a little more on the Set up Direct Deposit screen and tap Find Employer. Search for your employer. If you find your employer, it will take you directly to your employer's portal where you can sign in and connect your paycheck. The second way is to do it yourself. Tap Move, then tap Set up Direct Deposit to access your routing number and account number and share directly to your employer. The third way is with the form. You can send a pre-completed form to your employer. From the direct deposit screen, tap Get Completed Form. You'll get a form emailed to you with your Chime account information already on it. Now, just share that with your employer and you're good to go. Once it's set up, your paycheck automatically posts to your Chime account as soon as you receive it. Set up direct deposit and get the best out of Chime. It's that easy. For more Chime tips and tricks, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Chime. Thanks for watching, y'all.